It's hump day, middle of the week on Wednesday. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It is Wednesday, February 11th, 2015, and if you have not purchased your Valentine's gift for your significant other, here's a reminder for you. Get it done. Markets here in the day mix, you have the S&P down. Well, it's actually break even. 000, isn't that interesting? And Dow down a mere fraction. NASDAQ up 0.28%, with the Russell's down 0.14%. Banks, though, off 0.6%. The underlying current weak for market internals. The VIX, though, in bullish territory because it is negative, meaning that the fear is dropping even with the negative day that we had today. Fear down 1.6%, gold down more than 1%, silver down 0.7%. Still, I'm going to check that, see if it's within buy territory, but I think that it is. Crude oil drops another 2.27%. US dollar up 0.36%. Utilities index, remember that's a defensive sector, down 2.4%. Wow. Transportation index up. And so market internals outside of the banks are bullish, but the banks bearish. All right, so here we are taking a look at the S&P. We're above all major moving averages. We remain in this uptrend. Higher swing highs, higher swing lows. We are heading northbound. So because of that, we need to remain bullish here in the market. Now, if it starts to drop back down into these moving averages, you might want to rethink that. But as long as we can stay above this area right here, if we can stay above that, that's very bullish. So you need to remain there. If you look at the weekly chart, you'll see for the week, we're almost trying to make a new high. So I really need to see Thursday and Friday to be nice, big, bullish days. I want to see that happen. I'd like to close out the week going higher. I don't want to be stalled out here. So that's important to me. Now, gold, take a look at gold. We dropped, so gold's down below 61.8% Fibonacci. So this, in my book, and I've been doing these technicals for 17 years actively, I do not like that. That is no good as far as the perfect bull flag setup that we saw here. So obviously I say it's a perfect bull flag. Does not mean that it broke out and took off. So we only buy these things once they make a move. Let's take a look at silver. Silver is still in buy territory. It's above 61.8, still in a bull flag territory. So let's see. It really needs to bounce tomorrow, both gold and silver, but we will see if that will actually take place. And as far as some of the techs are concerned, what's interesting, Apple really has been on fire. And a disclosure for you here, I am still long Apple, and it is up, 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 and away, doing exceptionally well. And Twitter was up 2.7%, so there's your high base on Twitter. And I need to go look. Do I own that? I do not own Twitter, but I'm looking to maybe own it. I'm looking for a high base setup over $48 to make a trade on Twitter. And so that's where we're at. And to close it out, make sure if you haven't gotten here yet, the new website, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, just got my stats for the month. Very pleased with all the traffic coming in. We've simplified it, just 4 things to explore. And each one of these 4 things that you go into to explore, you're going to find some great things in that Grok Trade, loaded with information and education, and my blog. Go check that out. And it's the 1, 2, 3 plan. Step 1, 2, and 3, and we'll help you reach your full potential as a trader.